RHL Agarwal. I am aged 77 years. I have come from Delhi. I had a problem in the chest, which I was told after echo that it is because of the aorta wall blockage. And somebody mentioned and referred me to Rajasthan Hospital, which I came here, and after all the tests, I underwent the TAVI procedure by Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao very efficiently and successfully. And earlier, after walking for half a kilometer, I had started chest pain, which is totally now gone after the procedure, and I am extremely happy. And I am also being told and personally aware that Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao is one of the top expert of TAVI procedure in India as well as known in the world also.
So I'm Nishant Agarwal. I'm Mr. M.L. Agarwal's son. I live in California, USA, and since we live a little bit apart, we get very concerned about the health of the parents here because they live quite far apart. But once we came to know that he needed to undergo TAVI procedure, we looked up on the internet as well as in other places about Dr. Rao. We read about him, we learned about his skill level, the amount of expertise he has. That comforted us quite a bit. And then once mom and dad visited Dr. Rao, he very nicely and calmly explains the procedure, gives a lot of comfort and answers pretty much all your questions. And that's true not just for him, but for the rest of the care team here. So it's a very nice experience. I would highly recommend anybody who's thinking about undergoing similar procedures to think about Dr. Rao and the Rajasthan Hospital. The team is excellent. The care that you receive here is truly outstanding.
Yeah, I can probably add a few words that I come from Delhi and the Apollo Hospital is just behind our flat. But still, once we came to know the best procedure is with Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao and Rajasthan Hospital, we decided to come here and get this procedure done from here only.